Hi, welcome to Virtual Construction Assistance. Weekly tips and tricks. Our tip for this week is about the Excel camera tool. Now, don't get too excited. It's not about phone camera and other fancy lens. It's another feature in Excel that is very useful for dashboards and copying an Excel image to other applications such as Outlook. Imagine taking a screenshot and pasting the image to your email. That can be very frustrating to gently move or crop the image. With Excel Camera Tool, it's just very easy. Moreover, anytime change is made to its source data, the image are updated in Excel. Here's how. First thing, we need to add the camera to the Quick Access toolbar. Click the arrow up top and then select More Commands. From the Choose Commands drop-down, select All Commands. Right below that, search and choose Camera and then click Add. The camera is now added in the right box. Click OK at the bottom right. The camera icon is now added on the Quick Access toolbar up top. Next, highlight your table or source data. Click the Excel camera tool up top, then go to the worksheet and click Anywhere. That's it. Changing the source data would automatically update the image itself. Get rid of screenshot. Use the Excel camera tool. That's all for this week. See you again on the next episode of VCA Tips and Tricks.